The manufacturing game is an interactive simulation that has helped numerous facilities around the world vastly improve their reliability practices in a short period of time by building the culture required for significant and lasting change. Our unique integrated approach aims to help organizations realize their full potential by encouraging frontline workers to better understand their role and take responsibility for their performance as it relates to the functionality of the entire plant through defect elimination. One example of how well the manufacturing game works is a refinery in Lima, Ohio. Because of their participation in manufacturing game workshops and defect elimination practices, they improved operational profits by over $40 million a year, tripling their earnings in 3 years. During that time, not only did safety also improve, but OSHA recordables dropped from 5 per 200,000 man-hours to 2, and they experienced 5 years without a lost workday case. Environmental impact was reduced, contributing to profit by reducing crude losses from 1.3% to 0.3%, a pace-setter performance for any refinery. Mean time between pump failures changed from 12 months to 50 months, which accounted for $1.5 million in cost savings, but more importantly, it reduced the number of work orders on pumps by 78%. The total workload for the maintenance people dropped by 37.5% in those 3 years. In the next 5 years, they cut the workload by another 50% in maintenance for an overall reduction of 70% in maintenance work orders. Their budget for maintenance dropped 60%. Lima employees did not realize it at the time, but through their hard work to keep the plant profitable, they would ultimately increase the value of the refinery by a factor of 8.8 times, not only saving their own jobs, but ultimately saving their plant from closure. These improvements are continuing after 13 years without outside help. This was sustained through 4 changes of ownership and many managers. The first sale of the refinery in 1998 was for $215 million. With the dramatic improvements in profitability, reliability, safety, and productivity, the Lima refinery was sold the 3rd time to Husky Energy for $1.9 billion, which the Wall Street Journal pointed out was a 51% premium over the other refinery that was sold in the U.S. that year. Would you like to find out how they achieved those staggering results? We offer the manufacturing game as a 2-day in-house workshop for groups of 24 to 36 people. On the first day and a half, participants experience the exhilaration of playing the manufacturing game, while the second half of day 2 is dedicated to applying the lessons of the game to the real world by forming on-the-job action teams to accomplish improvement objectives and improve the reliability of your equipment. Contact us to find out how we can work together to assist you in engaging your people to become defect eliminators.